Wait, do you think I'm stupid?
No, 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 ma'am.
Seriously?
I'm not thinking like
Like, do you
that.
think that I don't notice this?
What, ma'am?
I've done hundreds of
Okay, ma'am.
interviews.
Yes,
Like,
ma'am.
share your screen.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
got
I am.
5 seconds,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I'm
Yes,
serious.
ma'am.
Share
Yes,
your
ma'am.
screen
I'm
right now.
sharing. I
Like,
go to
this
my
is so
entire screen. I
ridiculous.
click
Right
on
now,
share.
share it.
Yes, ma'am. I shared, ma'am. Why are you so angry, ma'am?
Yeah, I see. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what's the difference between email and Gmail? And explain why.
Okay, Gmail and email. I can explain it with why. Email is a general method of exchanging digital message over the internet or other computer networks. Meanwhile, Gmail is a specific